DJI Neo 2, first use. DJI Fly app is required to use the aircraft. Scan the QR code on the package to download and install the latest version of DJI Fly. Press down to remove the gimbal protector. There is a screen and a status indicator on the front of the aircraft. The takeoff button and select button are located on the side. Press the power button to activate the aircraft battery and check the battery level. The aircraft comes with an internal storage. When the aircraft is powered off, the USB-C port on the aircraft can be used for charging. Press the power button once, and then again and hold for about 2 seconds to turn the aircraft on. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your smartphone. Keep your smartphone connected to the internet. Launch the DJI Fly app. Register or log into a DJI account. On the home screen in DJI Fly, tap Connection Guide in the bottom right corner and select the device model. When connecting to the app for the first time, press and hold the power button on the aircraft when the prompt appears. The battery level LEDs blink from inside to out and then turn solid. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete connection and activation. If you have purchased or intend to purchase DJI Care Refresh, please finish the purchasing and binding within 48 hours of activating the aircraft. If not needed, you can skip it. A prompt will appear on the screen if a firmware update is available. Tap the prompt to enter the update screen. Tap Update to update the aircraft to the latest firmware version. To ensure your safety and an optimal experience, it is recommended to update your device to the latest firmware version immediately. During the update, do not power off the aircraft or exit the DJI Fly app. After the update, the aircraft will automatically power off. Make sure the flight environment is open and unobstructed with sufficient light and the surfaces have discernible patterns. Make sure intelligent flight battery, propellers, and propeller guards are mounted securely. Hold the sides of the aircraft body from below with the camera facing you. Do not place your fingers within the rotation range of the propellers. The default mode is follow after powering on the aircraft for the first time. Press the select button once to switch between shooting modes, such as SelfieShot and drone. The current mode and parameters will be shown on the screen. Take follow mode as an example. Extend your arm, face the camera toward the subject, and keep it steady. Press the takeoff button once. The aircraft will announce the selected mode and start a countdown, and then take off automatically. You can cancel takeoff by pressing the takeoff button again before the countdown ends. After taking off, the aircraft flies following you while recording automatically. When the aircraft is hovering, raise your palm towards the camera. Once the status indicator turns blue, you can control the aircraft with gestures. The aircraft will move in the direction your palm moves. Raise both hands, and the indicator blinks blue twice. Move your hands closer together or farther apart and then hold still to make the aircraft to fly forward or backward continuously. Make a fist or lower your arms, and the indicator's blue light will turn off. The aircraft will exit gesture control and hover in place. Then, the aircraft will follow the subject based on the adjusted direction and distance. To switch the follow subject, the new subject needs to raise a palm towards the camera. The status indicator will turn solid blue, indicating the switch is complete. When you stop moving, the aircraft will hover in place. Extend your palm toward the aircraft. Make sure your palm is lower than the aircraft for optimal recognition. Keep your hand still. Make sure to fully extend your fingers to avoid touching the propellers. The aircraft will land on your palm. The aircraft will return and land automatically when a low battery warning is triggered. Press, and then press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power off the aircraft. Check and clear any foreign objects from the aircraft body and sensors to prevent blockage. Attach the gimbal protector.